No nii, tervitused sõitjad. Äge on näha, et nii palju siia kohale on tulnud. Kolmapäeva õhtul Lange Krossi rajale. Täna teeme siis sellise pool võistlus, pool trenni, mis meil plaanis on, alustame soojendusega. Siis teeme pika moto jälitussõitudega niimoodi, et kõige aeglasem läheb ees, kiirem läheb järgi. Siis vahepeal teeme mõned stardiarvutused ja siis teeme ühe pika moto veel lõppu sama süsteemiga. Point on sellele, et ekstra nagu nendele vendadele, kes lähevad keegumsisse, et neile teha nagu hea ettevalmistus ja teistele lihtsalt nagu korralik trenn. Mis me praegu proovime siis teha, on võtta kõikide meeste ringi ajad, mõndadel võtavad papad, teistel ma pean ise võtma hetkel. Selle järgi me paneme siis jälitussõidu ajad paika. Meil on põhimõtteliselt siin ikkagi täisväärtuslik kvalifikatsioonisessioon.
Well, if you want shady, this is what I'll give you. A little bit of weed, it's just a lot of thinking some vodka that'll jumpstart my heart quicker than a shock when I get shocked at the hospital by the doctor when I'm not cooperating, when I'm rocking the table while he's operating. You waited so long to stop debating, 'cause I'm back, I'm on the rag and ovulating. I know that you got a job, Miss Cheney, but your husband's heart problem's complicating. So the FCC won't let me be, or let me be me, so let me see. They try to shut me down on MTV, but it feels so empty without me. So come on and dip, come on and dance, fuck that, come on and dance, come on and dance. I get happy, I just settled all my lawsuits. Fuck you, Devin! Now this looks like a job for me, so everybody just follow me. Cause we need a little controversy, cause it feels so empty without me. I said this looks like a job for me, so everybody just follow me. Cause we need a little controversy, cause it feels so empty without me.
I was born in the gutter facing life or death. I was a thug ever since my mama gave me breath. These motherfuckers wanna see me die, so who am I to try to warn them? I fucking bomb them, the niggas fly. Hey, remember me? Damn that in the sea. The niggas you don't wanna see, let me see. I'm definition of some thug shit, y'all don't hear me? Now that it's poppin', ain't no love, bitch. I'm maintaining the game in the gutters where I still kick it. I'm trying to hustle up a meal ticket. I'm still wicked in my ways. I hustle to my dying days. Ain't nothing wrong with getting paid, so nigga blaze. With some motherfucking food, walking through the streets wearing shoes, breaking niggas, making moves. Even the cops can't stop us. My enemies flip when they see me drink a fifth of that Hennessy. Y'all niggas can't fuck with this whole thug shit. They wanna know who's my role model. It's in the brown bottle, Hennessy.
Fuck you, Devin! This looks like a job for me, so everybody just follow me. Cause we need a little controversy, cause it feels so empty without me. I said this looks like a job for me, so everybody just follow me. Cause we need a little controversy, cause it feels so empty without me.
Show me what's a nigga to do, and it's true. Ain't nothing new, so I do what I can to get done. At first they got me shot, but now I'm pissed. I'm on an AK-47 hanging on my hip side. I don't trip. One motherfucker from the Institute. Big shots, fucking niggas if they fuck around. Hey yo, why y'all got beef with police? Ain't that a bitch? The motherfuckers got a beef with me. You know you really can't say that to blame niggas. For being changed, set of flames, I'm an aim triggers.
Meil on praegu kiired ringid ja siis on moto lõpp. Läheme niimoodi, et lähed peale, et paned 2 ringi täiega, siis tuled maha väike puhkus. Või on liiga raske või? Ei tohiks olla ju. 2 motot plus kiired ringid on okei. Ära valet. edukas trennipäev on lõpule saanud. Kutsusime siin kokku, ütleme niimoodi, et Eesti tipud trenni jaoks ja tegime ühe korraliku prepi Keegumsi Euroopakate jaoks ja loodaks, et see on alles episood 1, et meil need korralikud niisugused suured trennipäevad jätkuvad ka. Kindlasti suur tänu kõigile, kes kohale tulid, et ilma teieta see muidugi võimalik ei oleks. Ja eks te kõik panustate praegu noorte arengusse ja see on eesmärk meil. Aga eduka päeva lõpetuses ikkagi tuleme siia sportlaste söögi kohta, eks ole. Vaadake, just võtsime kohale. Et mitte ükski korralik trenn ei saa olla ilma korraliku söögita peale trenni. Et head isu teilegi ja Ruud Scout!